Breaking news coming in. Former Tripura Governor and BJP leader Tathagat Roy slammed Mamata for announcing free COVID vaccine. He called it a political stunt. He has further stated that Mamata is distributing vaccines sent by central government in her name. That's the latest coming in as far as the vaccine politics is concerned. Listen in.
It is the central government scheme. The central government has devised a protocol, a system of priorities who are going to receive the vaccines first. That is the frontline workers who are combating COVID, and thereon this senior citizens, people with comorbidity and all that. Now all of a sudden Mamata Banerjee jumps the gun and claims some political advantage out of it. It's very typical of her.
Manohar Lohibal is now joining us. Manohar, if you could clarify, when Mamata said vaccines are going to be available free for all, she meant every citizen of West Bengal who resides in the state of West Bengal. What Tathagat Roy is trying to say at the moment is that the vaccine which has been given out by the central government is free for all the healthcare and frontline workers who are priority number one in the central government's list. Manohar, can you hear me?
Well, yes, absolutely right. That's what BJP senior leader Tathagat Roy has clearly stated, that this looks and appears to be a political stunt of Trinamool Congress party and the entire state government also. Just a few months from now, the 2021 elections will take place, and at any point of time where the government is finding an opportunity to make the most of it, it will make most of it. As far as the distribution of vaccine is concerned, the government of West Bengal has clearly stated that it will be distributed free of cost to the entire population of the state, which itself speaks volumes about the attempt being made and a Herculean task to be achieved by the state government just before the elections. At the time, the BJP, however, takes it as a political stunt. TMC claims that it's their duty to ensure that the entire state population benefits out of the vaccine. However, how much would be the supply from the central government, or whether the state government will procure more on its behalf, is yet to be identified.
All right, so this is vaccine politics breaking out and nothing else at the moment. Manohar joining us with the latest details on the story.